Let's check out some stocks on the move in Toronto. We're joined by Stephanie Hughes. Stephanie, we heard about NexGen earlier from Jeff Morgan, but it was quite a move up in the stock today. And those shares, up more than 30% in the past year. Tell us why investors are happy today.
For sure, Andy. Yeah, it's been a good day for NexGen Energy. Those Toronto-listed shares are up as much as 7.7%, which brought the stock price to its highest level since May and made it the top TSX performer for pretty much the entire trading day today. The nationally listed shares are up even higher than that, briefly touching an all-time high there. And this came after the uranium miner said that the Canadian Nuclear Safety Commission provided a major permitting milestone for its project in northern Saskatchewan there. And it got a thumbs up from some analysts there. TD Cowen analyst Craig Hutchison said it meets the timing for the latest regulator deadline, but also argued that shares would react positively since the traders likely priced in another delay to this whole process there. So now that we've got more certainty, then that's good news for investors. The next step is that there will be a hearing with the regulator that could take another 6 months to really pin down, but TD Cowen expects these federal permits to be in place sometime in the middle of next year. So a few good news stories there with NexGen, Andy.
What's going on with MDA space?
Yeah, those shares moved up as much as 3.5% there. That put the robotics and satellite developer among the best performers on the TSX for a good chunk of the trading day today, but it might have been moved off by some other high flyers there. And the third quarter results really from last week were really well received by the analyst community as the firm got 2 price target hikes by Desjardins and RBC. So starting with Desjardins, the analyst Benoit Poirier said that it's been progress towards liftoff in this quarter, kind of a cute reference to the fact that this company works in space technology. He said that the stronger than expected deleveraging was really just a positive surprise for his team there. He added that this was also a highly anticipated quarter, just given the share price appreciation for the company lately. That stock is up about 130% year to date, so it's been a really good run for the space company there. Shares were initially down on Friday, but it looks like traders have been really catching up with analysts as far as seeing the good news nuggets in this story today, Andy.
Stephanie, I have to ask you, what's your favorite space movie? What's your favorite science fiction movie set in space? Sorry, I'm ambushing you there. I'll tell you my favorite one.
I love 2001: A Space Odyssey. What's yours? Sorry, what's yours?
That's the Ur space movie, of course. You can't. Yeah, I saw that when I was 9, when it first came out, 8 or 9. And it did me in, yeah. It did my head in, I can tell you. But one of my favorites is called Mission to Europa. And it's about a mission to Europa where they think there might be alien life under an ice, and there's a giant ocean down there. They are actually launching a mission shortly, or they may have already, to check it out. Anyway, in this film, it doesn't go well, the search for life on Europa. I definitely recommend it. Thank you very much indeed, Stephanie.
I got to check it out.
Stephanie Hughes on Bloomberg. Up next, the closing bells.